Hey, what's up, family? Welcome back to the channel. We've started the process, bolting everything down, walls, insulation, bed, everything. This is the final layout, I think. But I hope you all had a great weekend. And I wanted to give y'all this video before it got dark and of what we have so far. All right, so this is the layout so far. So where I'm sitting right now is going to be chairs. During the day, they're going to be chairs, and at night, it is my son's bed. It's going to be 25 inches wide, maybe with some overhang, but it's going to be 25 inches wide, 70 inches long, which is enough room for him to lay at night. And then I still got to, all this got to be covered up, you know, it's still, I'll get to that part tomorrow, but we decided to leave this window open, and we may leave that one open as well, I'm not sure yet. But this is what we have for my son's bed, plus it seats 3, and then we're gonna go around and I'm gonna show you my daughter's bed. This is my daughter's bed. I don't have it screwed down or bolted down yet. Spray light. But this is gonna be my daughter's bed, which is also 25 by 70. So it's a 25 by 70 for her and a 25 by 70 for him, which these, like I said, it will be able to seat 3 or maybe 4, because I thinking I'll push this back some and make all of this space the garage area. But under here, I didn't realize it's going to be a lot of space under here. And so we got to see how far, because we're using, for us to sleep, we're going to roll out a mat at night. And we'll see how much space, I think we're good to put the storage right here with maybe a cabinet door on here, cabinet door up under, storage up under here, storage up under there, storage right here, garage in the back. I have my storage space up top. And you see from the previous video, we took out the sink. We took out the sink and the fridge, like the whole setup we had. We took all that stuff out. And now I got to work on this wall tomorrow, but you know, I'm satisfied with the progress. I got to get my wife on camera to see if she's satisfied with the progress, but I'm liking what I see so far, and it won't take long to knock this out. And you know, it's on a budget, so I'm still using the wood I have around the house right now. Once that runs out and I have to buy some pieces, then I'll buy some pieces. But you know, a lot of stuff got to be covered. Got to get more insulation for this. I'm happy with it. Come on in. Come on in.
Oh, look at this! I love it.
All right, now you understand it
Yeah,
a lot better.
baby, it's so good.
Yeah.
See, I understand it now. I don't know. I was thinking it was gonna be up a little higher, but I get it.
Yeah.
I get it now.
Yeah. So when I put the plywood across, it's gonna have to be some thick plywood because it's going across. And you know what? I may need to put a brace in the middle.
Okay.
From this seat, from this bench to that bench, put a brace in the middle to support the plywood.
So she not gonna need a rail now.
It's gonna be down a little bit, but I still can put a rail on there. Yeah, my daughter wants a rail, a bunk bed rail. So.
Well, she was thinking she'd probably be up higher too. So.
No, the reason I didn't put it higher because the space right here,
Yeah.
the storage, the roof, the ceiling that we're gonna use.
It's like it's a lot of space.
Yeah, so she's gonna sleep right here.
And still.
EJ sleep right here.
Yeah.
And we'll be on the floor. Like I said, storage for fold out table, cooking stove.
Yeah, cause like
whatever
now.
you need.
So now, you say you moving the bed down?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay. So we can actually block the area up under there for space and then have it where, like we talked about, a mat or mattress to roll out can go. Our feet are under here and our head down here. Roll it up, put it up, still have space. And then like for us cooking, I guess what you got this built on, I don't know. It'd be simple. I mean,
I could make that a seat though. Put a small cushion.
I actually thought about that too, like a seat.
You made that a seat
Before when we was discussing it, but
you make that a seat. You still can cook on the tabletop.
yeah.
Gotta figure that out.
This
But-
is coming along.
That would be make that a
It's
seat.
coming along how we see fit for us,
Yeah.
the family of 4.
Yeah.
How it see fit for us, and this is gonna work, and we're gonna work it out because
So
this is what we want.
So I wonder. I think she could sit on her bed while we play Uno or game night,
Yeah.
and someone can sit here.
You sit there.
EJ sit here,
Yeah, and have like a.
and that'll work.
Oh, that's perfect.
That'd be perfect. That's
You
good.
put our little table right there.
Yes. Look,
I'm sorry. I'm so excited.
I had it I had a vision in my head of how I wanted to do it, but it came along with the comments and everything. Like I said, we read all the comments, and if it makes sense to me, like we factor it in, and I'll be like, I actually like that, and I know it's nowhere for us to put a bed for us, so
Which is fine.
rolling out a mat for us at night is okay.
As long as we can lay and get some rest, and
Yeah, that's fine. So somewhere to rest, somewhere to, like, so many comments. Somebody said a van is for, resting, and and we was my mindset was I'm gonna be inside here all the time, and that's not the case. So never experiencing van life, I like the way it came out.
with the way it's coming out.
Yeah, and
Because of course you're not done. This is our layout.
Like I say, listening to others and experience, man.
And we're not spending like just a budget. We're using what we got in our yard, which is perfect.
Yeah. So.
And then adding the necessities and everything. And by the way, I made an Amazon gift list. Is that what it's called? Gift list? A wish list.
Yeah.
For anybody that may want to help us add things in here that we may want. I kind of thought about it, just some things here and there that, I may want to add to the van, or we may need to go with the van. Like I said, necessities or those things here and there, but I'll put that link in the description. I tried to put it together, but I put it down in the description if anyone would like to, donate or help us get this thing built so we can get on the road.
It's almost reality.
Yes.
As I mentioned, it's already reality in my mind, but it's almost reality, and
it's been a long time coming.
even after the video goes off, like I'm going to continue working throughout the night, and the rest of this week is going to be all build.
Yeah.
And engine. I'm hoping I can get to a tune-up before the weekend, but yeah. I
can't believe it.
I didn't expect it to look.
No,
you know.
it's like pinch me. Is this real? Like it's coming together. We have been wanting to like, and I know like we had a comment too about, you know, like it's like we can't kind of just putting it off or changing it up. We don't actually have a layout, but it's not that it's not that we didn't know. Help me explain it. It's not that we're putting it off or anything like that, but this is a family of 4, and like I said, this is on a budget, and we're doing it how we see fit for us, as well as getting like opinions. Help from other people as well, which have came in handy.
Yeah, it got to be comfortable.
Yeah.
For the children.
And it's like if we wanted it this way or that way and had all the money, of course it would have been finished.
Yeah.
It would have been had it done, but how it see fit, this is the time now.
Yeah.
That we're able to do it. And I'm just grateful that we're able to do it how we are doing it with what we have, and it'll be done how we want it to be done.
Yeah.
And you all can see it, you know. And I hope that what we do in here, you know, help someone else out that may have a van or want to get on the road, or any little touches, anything we have in here can help, and anybody else can help us, because they sure have. But this right here is nice, babe. You never seems to amaze me, because you always make it work. Is he blessing y'all? He always makes it work. Like, yeah.
All right, so that's it for this video, and you will see another video tomorrow.
Yeah.
So it's going to be further along tomorrow.
We'll try to get videos out every day.
Yeah.
It'll be a daily thing until we get this thing going.
It's closer and closer.
Yeah.
Closer and closer.
Hopefully, I say hopefully by
What's the deadline?
February. I said the end of the month, January 31st. Is that?
January 31st. Okay.
It's like we want to get on the road February 1st. Like
January 31st. Okay. Yeah.
I'm putting the date out there.
Put a date out there. January 31st. Of course, I'm gonna try to get it done before then, but January 31st. Yeah. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for commenting, sharing, everything.
Everything.
To help us make this journey possible and help us to feel more comfortable while we're, on this journey.
Mm-hmm.
So,
if you haven't already subscribed or liked the video, be sure to do that. And we thank y'all again, and we'll catch y'all in the next video.